As you can see, this is not anymore a stock motorcycle. So I have done a bunch of modifications, and as apparent from what you can see, graffiti is one of the first things I have done. So I'll talk about all the modifications that I have done on this motorcycle, and they are quite minimal and functional as well. So over here I have a tower mount and the mobile holder sits over here. So when I'm traveling, I do not need to watch down for the mobile holder and then watch up. So the navigation and my riding is in the same level. Also, this allows me to have a pan view, so I can use the GPS in a horizontal as well as in a vertical position. The next thing is, these are lights from BSDP. So these are lights from HJG. These are HJG minis, and I am using a BSDDP mount on the bottom of this. So I think these lights are sufficient. They have both white as well as yellow. You need yellow light when you are in fog, or just in case you are riding in fog or in rainy conditions. So the next thing, and always do carry a cable lock, so you can just strap down your helmet, remove the GoPro, and don't have to carry a heavy thing around. The handguards are Accesories slim replicas, and they have taken quite a lot of it, as you can see from here. So on both sides they have saved the motorcycle on multiple occasions, and the gravel or the road has never reached the main body. So they are doing pretty fantastic job of protecting the motorcycles and protecting the levers on all my adventures. Then up at front I have a grill from Zana. This is the mild steel version, because the stainless steel version is not available in silver. I went for this one. All the motorcycle grills currently people that are using are black, so I wanted something that was different from the rest. At the same time, as compared to the stock grill that comes with the company, this is better in terms of being able to clean inside. So you can put a cloth inside over here and just wipe it and clean it. So a lot of people, a lot of Yezdi owners have been complaining of not being able to clean the headlight because of the stock grill. So this grill totally eliminates that. On the rear, I have just removed the sari guard, because it is one of the most unessential stuff that I think you get on Indian motorcycles, and it weighed like 1.5 kg or something. So that's some weight reduction over there. So that's it on this motorcycle. That are the minimum modifications I have done on my adventure, and that are enough to suit my purpose. So that's Sagar on Wheels signing off. See you. Bye.